Hi, this is Alex Paulton. I'm here at Embedded World at the Arrow booth with Amir Sherman. He's one of the directors for Embedded Technology and Engineering Solutions. Well, obviously we're at the Embedded Show, right? Welcome to the show.
Welcome, thank you very much. It was a great show.
Well, it is, and the beautiful part about it is there's so much going on. I mean, you would think that Embedded is at a relatively mature point, but in reality, it's still growing.
It's still growing because embedded is a big word. It's connected with IoT, it's connected to VR, AI, cloud services. This is something big, so it's not only embedded, it's everything.
And that, ironically, it's almost like we have to think of a new word for solution, because a new word for IoT, because it's so broad, but it's true. Everything that's powered is going to be connected. Everything that's connected is going to be intelligent, and everything that's intelligent is going to be communicating. But how do you get from here to there?
So this is exactly what is our target for this year. So Arrow is not anymore a distribution. We are a solution provider. And customers want fast time to market, but they want it fast, the best, with the latest connectivity. And this is what we are showing in our booth today, moving to more boards and solution connected to the cloud, and not what happened 5 years ago when there was only components on the shelves.
Well, and that's the key, because a lot of these engineers are under time pressure. They're under regulatory pressure. They've got customer issues, and if you can give them a scalable solution, modular, then they can put it together out of, and of course, obviously you step in and help them at the end.
Yes, of course, and this is what we did in the last year. So what we did, we are evaluating what the customer needs, depend on the vertical application, and we develop boards that normally fits to 80% or 90% of their needs, so it's fast time to market. And we have several boards that we showed here in the booth, based on our latest technology, with the latest microcontrollers or processors.
So what is this one?
So for example, this is a board we developed with the help of Renesas. We're using the latest microcontroller, and customers, so we started 1 year ago with only the board, and now the customer want to have the board with connectivity and also HMI. So we just added the display in the end, and then you have a full solution. So the customer just take it, plug it, debug it. Normally it's 90% of what they need, and then they just copy paste and it go to production. So this is something that we did. This is connected to also the Arrow branding using 96 board. So everybody know about the Arrow Dragon board.
Right.
This year we did a big leap using the latest Dragon board 820. So the Snapdragon 820 is in the latest mobile phone market. Qualcomm took a big decision with Arrow and created the 820E, E meaning embedded, where you're having embedded application for long longevity. So we just announced the Snapdragon Dragon board 820. Now, every board that we have here, you can have the Arrow mezzanines plugged to it. And we have several mezzanines with adding more Ethernet, we're having biometric applications, we're having security from Infineon, and the latest stuff that we have now is cameras. We are adding cameras to the Snapdragon. So we have vision application. You can have the small cameras that are available in the mobile market, or complex vision cameras. This is from our partner Basler that we just signed, having sophisticated vision application connected to the Arrow boards. And this is what customers like, and this is really huge interest.
Well, and that makes all the sense in the world, because I could theoretically take your core product and then tack on the peripherals and almost scale out my product line, because depending on what modules I put in, I can have a basic footprint, and then I can go, okay, well the first module just has Bluetooth, the second has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and a camera, third has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, camera.
Correct. And it's not it. So a lot of customers coming because of the IoT and our cloud services, customers are coming saying, hey Arrow, can we have a full solution? The non-traditional customer and even the traditional customers want a full solution. So we have that. You can see this is Arrow box. Certified from Arrow. We have this for digital signage. We have this for sensors. It's a full mature product that the customer can take, buy from Arrow, just put it on the shelf.
Excellent. That is really nice, and it's a nice healthy set of I/O.
Clear. So you have this type of box, we have sensors box, we have sensor with cloud, having all the connectivity. We just now have adding the narrowband IoT as well. So this is what Arrow is doing. The board design time is continuing, but it's declining. Customer want it now and want it fast.
Well, and don't forget engineering support. I mean, all of these solutions, yes, they can plug them in themselves, but that last 5%, you need some help, you can give it to them.
So yeah, so I'm managing the backend of Arrow Engineering, and we are adding, we just now opened a new software team in Poland, and we are adding more and more software capabilities. This is connected also to the cloud, because we have a lot of cloud services that you need. So this is what Arrow, and this is the big change we're having in the last 3 years, and this is what we are showing in this great event here in Embedded World.
Very cool. Now, is there a deep dive URL for the boards, or they just go to Arrow and they can just poke around? I mean, is there a way that they can just go straight to this new board setup? Where do they have it homepage?
Yeah, so it's just aero.com/EW for embedded 2018, and then you have a flyer with all of the Aero links. So it's aero.com/dragonboard, aero.com/Aris Edge, aero.com/the name of the board, and you have all the documentation, schematics, BOM, software demos. Just go, use it, and you can take some boards here or contact your local Aero guys to get it.
Very nice, very nice. Before I let you go, Amir, I know it's a busy show. Do you have any last words for our audience?
No, just, this is amazing party of technology. And I'm engineer, I love it, and we're just enjoying every day. It's fully packed. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Amir. I appreciate it.
Thank you very much.